If there's one piece of advice I'll continue to give every entrepreneur, it's this: fix your personal credit first. As a business funding strategist, I've helped business owners secure millions of dollars in business funding. And I can tell you this: your personal credit is one of the biggest factors in what you're going to qualify for. If your credit profile isn't where it needs to be, or your business doesn't yet have strong revenue or assets to support financing, your funding options have become a lot more limited. One thing I tell people all the time is if your credit needs work, hire a reputable credit repair specialist. Now, I don't do credit repair myself. My wife and I don't. So I don't have any incentive. Like, I have no skin in the game to tell you that. But in fact, I regularly refer people to specialists because that's their area of expertise, not mine, right? Could you learn credit repair yourself? Absolutely. I know plenty of people that have gone down the rabbit hole that have done some amazing things, removed stuff from their credit, things like that. But credit repair isn't something that you can just learn once and then master forever, right? Strategies evolve, dispute methods change, and what worked today may not work 6 months from now. So a good credit repair professional stays current with those changes every single day, and they find all of the creative ways to dispute the things on your credit report to get those things removed. That's why you should work with a credit repair specialist. They are dedicated to just getting this done. And I'm telling you this because I talk to so many clients, so many people that come to me that want funding, that want to leverage their personal credit, but their personal credit isn't strong enough to be leveraged. And so instead, they're trying to find loopholes and workarounds. And then I always end up telling them, you just need credit repair. So this is why I'm literally making this video. I think that's so important. So my recommendation is simple. Find someone with a proven track record, real client results, and with a reputation you trust. I have people I recommend, and there's other credit repair specialists I don't recommend. So yes, you're going to pay for their expertise, but if you build a stronger credit profile, you're able to qualify for significantly more funding. And it's often one of the highest return investments that you could possibly make for yourself. I'm a down that hill. Until your business is extremely profitable, you have assets to leverage. So this is one piece of advice I'll continue to stand behind. And it's because, like I said, I've seen it firsthand how much of a difference a strong personal credit profile can make. So just invest in the funding. Stop making the mistake. Invest in the credit repair so you can get the funding. That's the mistake.